Good afternoon. Today is day 25 of the 30-day content challenge, and the prompt for today is to give a shout out to somebody. It could be a client, a customer, somebody I work with, it could be whoever. And so today I'm going to pick somebody that's going through this challenge with me. His name is Partenheimer. He's a young man that's kind of really impresses me. And he's kind of like, he could be a mentor to me, even though I'm quite a bit older than him, even though I'm maybe a little more experienced in some ways than him. I really feel that he is an inspiration to me. And I watch what he does. And I've been, as we go through this, we kind of look at each other's videos and entries and whatever, TikToks, Instagrams, posts, all the stuff that we do, and we kind of look at each other's. And I've been looking at Caleb's, and his work is improving day by day. But I went through his YouTube presentation for today, and I looked down and all the stuff that he's posted now below that refers to his page where you can connect with him in so many ways. He's developed all that. He's got a lot of things that have helped me by his YouTube analysis. Those types of things are things that I'm looked at, and I just feel like I can learn from him. And so I listen to his posts, I look at what he does, and I'm going to try and start listing some of the things he's done and try and put that into my business. So that's my shout out for today. If you like my post, would you please give me a like, and also look at what I'm giving away the escape plan, the 30-minute workday escape plan. And I also have a link if you would like to connect with the Home Business Academy and get a funnel. And so that's my post for today. And I just want to give again a shout out to Caleb. He is kind of an inspiration to me, and it makes me smile when I can connect with young people. Thank you, and have a good evening.